All right, team, welcome back. We Last time we were here, we talked about making a flowchart, and so today I want to show you how we're going to turn a flowchart into a program. So yeah, let's get going. So here's our flowchart. We asked about the grade, or how many questions they had on a test, and then how many they missed, and we got figured out their grade. And so hopefully you created a flowchart for your movie problem. And then today, what you're going to do is you're going to turn that into a program. And so I'm in NetBeans just because that's what was open. But hopefully you're comfortable programming in Rappel or NetBeans, whichever one you're using. And so here I asked a question with the input pane, and then I turned that to a number about how many questions there were, and I asked about how many they missed, and I turned that to a number. And so now we're on the step where we find the grade. And so we're going to find double grade equals, and so the grade of the students would be 100. Now I could do 100 without any decimals, but I'm going to do 100.0 because when you put integers and integers together, you always get integers, and sometimes you get these weird rounding things. And students aren't really happy sometimes when you round down instead of rounding up or whatnot. So I'm just going to put 100.0 there, and then I'm going to say questions minus the number they missed, and then I'm going to divide by the number of questions that we had. So there's a grade for a student, and we wanted to print the grade out, and I'm just going to use JOption panes because they're pretty easy and they look nice. So we can say grade is grade, and then we're going to ask the question. We're going to say, is this grade greater than 90? So we're going to say if grade is greater than or equal to 90. Now I'm going to put these little curly brackets here so that the computer knows that if this is true, these are the things that I want to do. And next week we'll talk about no's, because that'll just be a completely different issue. So, but if this is true, we're going to put these little curly brackets here. And if it's true, what do we want to do? So if it's true, then we want to print out message dialog. Let's put no on the first. And what text do I want to put in here? Congratulations, you scored an A. I just copy and paste that. There we go. So if it's the grade greater than or equal to 90, yes. So we're going to say, congratulations, you scored an A. And then I'll ask the question, if the grade is less than a 70, I'll put my curly brackets again so that the computer knows which things I want to do if that's true. I'll do JOption pane. So message dialog, null. You did not pass, please try again. So you can see, hopefully, that once you have a flowchart set out, maybe writing programs becomes a lot easier. So hopefully this will help us out. Also, it helps us know what to do with our if statements. So if this is true, then what do we do? And so we're going to be looking at flowcharts to help us make some of those logic ideas flow pretty easily. So yeah, this would be what I would turn in for the example prompt if that was my grade. And so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Let me know. You guys are pretty fantastic about that. So you'll have a great day. Bye.